Hi friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're currently facing any kind of problems with your Microsoft Edge browser, whatever errors you may be facing, one of the best way to fix this issue is to completely reset your Microsoft Edge browser. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to completely reset Microsoft Edge. Now guys, before I jump in, if you're new to the channel, special welcome to you, and feel free to subscribe to this channel as it's completely free to show some support if you find this video very helpful. And if by the end of the video it was very helpful to you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up so that I can know that you enjoy this kind of content. Now let's jump in. So the first thing that you want to do guys is open up your Microsoft Edge browser. And on the top right hand side, go ahead and click these three dots and go down to settings. Then on the left side, click reset settings. And here you will see it says reset settings to their default values. You want to click on that and do reset. Now once you do a reset, you can go ahead and close Microsoft Edge browser and try to open it again. And if this still does not work, what you want to do, just simply click on the start button here on the taskbar. Simply type run and open it. Once this comes up, you simply want to type in modulus local app data modulus and simply hit enter. Now what this is going to do is going to open up this window. Let me drag it to this side so that you can see it. Now all you want to do is just simply scroll down and you will find Microsoft folder right here. Just open that. And here is Edge. Now once you find this Edge browser guys, just simply on your keyboard press shift and then delete. It will bring up this delete here, and this will do a permanent delete as you can see. So go ahead and choose yes. You want to also check this box that says delete this for all current files. Go ahead and click skip for whatever it does not delete. Whatever it does not delete, just go ahead and do the same thing until it finally deletes what it can delete. Now once that is done, just go ahead and close out and try to open up your Microsoft Edge. Now once you do that, it should work. You can also try to restart your computer again and try to open up your Microsoft Edge. And this should definitely fix the issue. Now, I really hope that you found some value here within this video. And as I said, if you do find some value, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, as this is going to give me some feedback to let me know that you found this kind of tutorial very helpful. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to Drew Tutorial. It's completely free so that you'll never miss when I release the next video on this channel. Thank you very much and see you next time.